वॉटर मेट्रो हाजे खातीर आमचे केरला वॉटर मेट्रो आसा तांणी दोन टिमी येवन गोवा इज अ बेस्ट प्लेस म्हणून तांणी केल्ले आसा अँड वी आर अगेन वील बी मिटींग दी सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर सोनावाला साहेब आनीक तातूंतल्यान वी आर सो वॉटर मेट्रो इज अ बिग प्रोजेक्ट for us and we want financial assistance from the center. It's because of that we will be proceeding with all our preparedness to the honorable minister. आनीक आमी जे वॉटर मेट्रो सर्विसीस जांचे घेतिल्ले आसात आतां तो DPR बी करपाचें काम दिल्लें आसा. कंसल्टंट्स अपॉइंट जाले, रिपोर्ट्स आयले and the reports are in our favor because the honorable prime minister had said that we must go ahead with the water metros in few states and Goa has got the best of the feasibilities to have this kind of project. So आमी progress करतले within a month's time we will come to know. आमचे honorable chief minister will talk to the honorable minister for center आणि आमी आमची पत्रां आसा पळय न्ही मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी धाडिल्ली आसात and I think this project will move very fast.
खंयच्या रुटाचेर ते
ना पयर हांवें ते प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन केल्ले आसा. There are about 9 routes which we have selected. Out of that 7 we will take in the first instance and आमी मुखार वतले.